How to schedule Webex meeting from web browser. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule the Webex meeting from web browser. So without any further ado, let's move forward. First thing first, you need to go to your browser. Once you're in your browser, you need to type in the search bar webex.com and then press enter. Now that you are in the website, you need to click on sign in option. Once you have done that, you need to enter the email address and then click on sign in. Now, you need to enter the password and then click on sign in again. Once you're in the Webex website, you need to click on schedule a meeting. Then you need to select a meeting type and then title of the meeting. Then you need to select date, time and duration of the meeting. You can simply change it as per your convenience. Once you have done everything, you need to select on schedule, and that's it. You have successfully scheduled a meeting on Webex. In order to share the meeting, you need to click on copy the information, and now you can paste it to those persons who are going to attend your meeting, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.